Kuoe&Qingzhou Yawei Machinery Company Limited is located in Qingzhou City. It is a diversified group of companies that integrates the design, development, production and sales of loader machine and parts. Since its establishment, the company has been upholding the service principle that products cost effective, constantly improving the quality, appearance and service of our products. The company has accumulated a number of good quality partners and develops mutually with its partners. After more than 10 years of development, the company passed the ISO 9001 and CE, EAC, and other international certifications. The company owns one team, more than 100 people, and one warehouse with 10,000 square meters. It has become a large enterprise with several factories and branches. In order to supply more professional services, the company has set up one loader pin factory, one filter factory, one axle transmission factory, one chassis frame accessories factory, and one export and import company. The products cover loaders, bulldozers, motor graders, crawler excavators, road rollers, and backhoe loaders, and other mechanical equipment and spare parts. The product includes engine parts, gearbox parts, torque converter parts, axle parts, hydraulic system, and electronic control systems, etc. The pin products, made of 40 chromium, are mainly used for many famous brands wheel loaders and excavators manufacturers. The product process is strictly quality controlled, mainly processed by the machining center according to the draws, and the overall hardness reaches from 50 to 60 HRC after heat treatment. Then the outer circle is polished by grinding machine. The surface roughness is from 0.02 to 0.08. It achieves mirror effect and welded by automatic welding equipment. The size is more accurate and the appearance is more beautiful. Spray paint to complete the whole process. We use water-based paint, which is non-toxic and pollution-free, and more environmentally friendly. The machinery manufactured, from design to research and development, are strictly controlled. The core components are all selected from domestic first-class factories. From hydraulic system, transmission system, cooling system, electrical system, parts painting to structural parts welding, we constantly optimize product performance and produce high-quality products. The advanced assembly line effectively improves the production efficiency and orders delivery rate, making customers worry-free. In recent years, the company has strictly abided by the business tenet of customer first, quality first, honoring contracts, guaranteeing time. The company will always adhere to the spirit of unity, realism, integrity and excellence, with a sincere attitude of cooperation, good reputation and excellent product, dedicated to providing the community with quality construction products and good service, and create a better future with the community.